Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by protecting your progress. Back up the Skyrim folder and saves. Once done, close the game, Steam, and any mod manager so files aren't locked. Next, go straight to the Skyrim installation directory. This is where Enb places core files like D3, D9, DLL and Bsuries, ini and blockle, ini and npost, exe. You need to see exactly which enb files are present. That tells you what to remove. Make sure you're in the right game directory before deleting anything. Now you perform the removal. First, delete the core enb files you identified, D3, D9, DLL and Bsuries, ini and blockle, ini and npost, exe. Then remove any enb-related folders or additional DLLs installed by presets or wrappers. Sometimes reshade or injector folders are present, so delete those too. If you used a mod manager, open it and uninstall or disable any enb preset packages. This prevents them from. Finally, verify the uninstall by launching Skyrim. The game should use default rendering. If you see graphical glitches, delete shader caches and restart the game. If something broke completely, restore your backup or reinstall any missing core files that other mods require. Make sure load order didn't rely on enb. If issues persist, disable mods one by one to isolate conflicts. One key troubleshooting tip: check for leftover and blockle ini backups or preset folders. Removing those often fixes lingering behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.